Hey there, friends! Welcome to my channel, and thanks so much for stopping by. Today, we're whipping up this adorable butterfly keychain, the perfect project for beginners and a sweet little gift for any occasion. Get ready to add a touch of handmade happiness to your life. Before we dive in, let me remind you that you can customize the colors however you like. You can even change the size too, so get creative and make this your own. Here's what it looks like when it's all finished. How cute is that, right? You can see it from both the front and back in all its butterfly glory. For this project, I'm using Himalaya Himagurumi cotton yarn. And to bring our butterflies to life, we'll be using a 2.5mm crochet hook. Before we jump in, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a quick like. And if you haven't already, definitely subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. It makes a huge difference and helps me bring you more fun crochet projects. We're going to start with a magic ring. Chain 3. Into the ring, work 2 double crochets. Chain 2. Into the ring, work 2 more double crochets. Chain 2. Into the ring, work 2 more double crochets. Repeat this pattern, making sure to chain 2 between each group of 2 double crochets. You'll need a total of 8 groups around the ring. So far, I've made 3 groups. Let's finish the remaining 5. Once you've made all 8 groups, chain 2, then slip stitch into the top of the first chain and the chain space. Chain 3, then work 2 double crochets into the same space. Chain 3 again, and work 3 double crochets into the same space. Continue this pattern all the way around. In each chain space from the previous round, work 3 double crochets, chain 3, and then work 3 more double crochets. When you reach the end of the round, slip stitch into the top of the first chain. Chain 1, then cut the yarn. Tighten the magic ring slightly. Now, let's switch to the second color. Attach the yarn to any of the chain 3 spaces. Chain 3. Into the same space, work 9 double crochets. Including the starting chain, you should have a total of 10 double crochets in this space. After completing the 10 double crochets, make a single crochet into the space between the next 2 groups. Move to the next chain 3 space and work 10 double crochets into it. Make a single crochet into the space between the next two groups. Move to the next chain 3 space and work 10 double crochets into it. Continue this pattern all the way around until you've completed the round. You should have a total of 8 groups, each with 10 double crochets. Make a single crochet into the space between the next two groups. Slip stitch into the top of the first chain to complete the round. Fold the flower design in half so that the right side is facing out. You should have 2 groups on the right side and 2 groups on the left side. Starting from this point, work slip stitches vertically toward the magic ring. I've made 5 slip stitches, ending at the magic ring space. Chain 8. Starting in the second chain from your hook, make 7 slip stitches, 1 in each of the next 7 chains. Slip stitch into the top of the 5th slip stitch. Turn the piece. Then chain 8. Starting from the second chain, work 7 slip stitches across the chain. Slip stitch into the top of the 5th slip stitch on the front side. Chain 1, then cut the yarn, leaving enough length to attach the keyring. All that's left is to attach your keychain clip using that yarn tail. And there you have it, your very own crochet butterfly keychain. I hope you had as much fun making it as I did. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in my next tutorial video. If you enjoyed this project and want to see more fun crochet tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Please share this with your friends and family, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, happy crocheting and have fun with your new keychain.